pressure cooker meal. So a lot of people are getting Instant Pots, but I already have so many pressure cookers and I just use those. That's my Instant Pot. I know how to use them, and you can pick one up in several places, newer, and I really want to share that with you and see if it's something you might want to try and not be afraid of using it, because a lot of people are afraid of pressure cookers. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I make. This is kind of an intro into a I want to can series that I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned and let's see how I make this. Now be sure you check all your equipment before you start. This is my go-to, and it has a insert for there, and then I always check the button, make sure it's good, make sure there's no debris around it, make sure no debris anywhere, check inside there, make sure that's where the button comes up and down, make sure there's no debris there. Then I never store it with the ring off of it. I always store it with the ring out. That way it has time to completely dry out, and it goes right up underneath that little piece right there, see? So now it's in there, everything is ready. Now I'm going to start without the tray. I just wanted to show you that it comes with one. Okay? Don't worry about those bits down there in the bottom because we're going to get those out in a little bit. It's all part of it. Now if you have a Instant Pot, there's a step for doing this. Just read your instructions, and there's a step for doing the sauteing before you turn it on. Now I'm going to turn the heat off. Just water. Let that sit for a minute. Turn the heat back on. scrape all the bits off the bottom. That was a cup of water I put in there earlier. I'm going to add another cup. And I'm going to add some of my beef broth powder that I get from Natural Grocers. About a tablespoon. I'm going to pour that into this bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Onion or garlic. Now I'm going to add our peppers and our mushrooms. Well, coat that with the butter. Got it on medium heat right now. Just until they start to soften, the peppers. Then we're going to add back our chicken along with the juices. Nestle it all in there. Give this a zhuzh and pour it over the top. And that is that. Give that till it sits in there. Close it. Usually makes a little clicking sound. And we're going to let this vent a little bit. And then I will add my pressure gauge, which is a 10-pound pressure, which is fine for where I live because I am at or below sea level. but check your gauge, your manufacturers for any pressure cooker you're using to make sure you're using the right one. And also for your times. It's been steaming for a while, so now I'm going to put my pressure gauge back on it. And then we'll wait for it to start rocking. It will let some air out here, it'll let some air out around, and every now and then it'll drip out the sides. That's all normal. Pretty sure I got these bottles. I have two of them, one for my olive oil and one for my regular oil. And I'm pretty sure I got them at Big Lots. If not, it was Tuesday morning. We've come up to pressure. You can see that the little gauge there is up. My pressure gauge is rocking. So we are on our way. Now I'm going to turn my heat down to about 6. I have an electric stove, so it goes up to from 9 to high, and I turned it down to 6, and that's where it will stay. And I will cook this for 20 minutes, and then turn it off, and we'll be back. Okay, timer is going off. I'm also going to slide it off of the heat. Yes, I know. And it immediately calms down. But we will wait until this little button right here goes down, and then it will be ready to open. It smells divine. afraid of your pressure cookers. So we're going to have more in this series. I'll show you a few things that I make and a few things that I use that you may not use, that you may not know about or have never seen done before. So stay tuned and have fun today.